I'm making this video because when you take the back off of this thing, if you ever have to take the back off of your, let's say you're not even interested in getting it modded, but you want to do the limiter upgrade, bypassing it. Well, when you take this thing apart, you gotta undo this LED thing, and it's actually really, once you get it off, you're like, oh, that's not so bad. But getting it back on is very hard because there's some of these speakers where they barely give you enough wire lead to do anything. Oh yeah. You just gotta know that the way I do it is actually one-handed. You just have to look at how they go together, line them up. You actually have to do this one-handed unless you have two really small arms. So that's how that is. That's how that is. See if I can do this and hold the phone at the same time. It's a one-handed procedure. Don't do this if you had a bunch of coffee, because your hands will just keep shaking from being caffeinated. Oh god, it's a bitch. I hate it. I'm doing this so that, when you are having trouble with it, you're just like, is it really that hard? Am I a total idiot? Nope. It's actually that hard. Oh, there it is. Oh, God. That's the worst part of the mod. Is having to put that back. In fact, I'm going to, in the future, I'm going to, when I do upgrades, I'm actually going to install, I'll snip the wire up there, get rid of that header, and actually put a plug, there, so you can just, hook it up right at that spot instead of unhooking it there, because unhooking it and putting it back on at that spot would be a lot easier. So, okay, I know this is kind of a weird video, it's like just to do that, but yeah, I just think it's helpful for anyone who's trying to get their HS8. Actually, the HS8 and the 80, they're both kind of like that, so that'll help you in both of those situations. Okay.
Just beat the devil out of it. As I say, that's the part that's the most fun.